No matter what size a company is, business intelligence is no longer a nice to have. It's really a necessity. So we have the FlashOS platform, and it's got a lot. There is so much data and technology there, and it's all in the cloud. And then we have the Flash portal, which there's probably 200 plus reports there. So if you want to mine the data yourself, there's just a lot of opportunity to do that. But the part that we were missing that we wanted to kind of bring to the surface was this whole data visualization component. When we were thinking about FlashIQ and what it might look like, we started with the data. What do we have? And what we were tasked with FlashIQ is how do you take that level of detail and then just bring it up to the surface in a way that is more consumable. With all the data that was there, we had to simplify. For us, it was just a matter of mining through that data and trying to find ways to visualize that data and to serve it in a way that would be easily digestible. We started out with occupancy, entries and exits. How many cars are parked in the garage at a single time? And then we were thinking about the equipment health piece, and that was, how is my equipment doing? What is the health level? Do I have any issues right now? The idea was minimizing downtime. And then we thought about revenue. If I were managing my business, how would I like to see my revenue broken out by ticket type, by parker type, maybe by tender type, and how can we start to look at maybe some trends, revenue related trends and patterns. And so trying to mine some of this historical data as well and allow that information to be available in FlashIQ. Basically, it gives the operator the ability to make faster, more efficient business decisions and diversify their revenue streams, or even just optimize revenue. For more information on FlashIQ, please visit us at flashparking.com.